Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to trim your beard at home during this quarantine time. So here are some of the items that I'll be using today. You'll find links to all of these items in the description below from Amazon. Alright, so let's get started. So here I have the clipper set to 3mm and I'm just starting from my sideburns and then just gradually going down. What I'm doing here is creating an imaginary line from the base of my earlobe to my mustache, which you can see right over here. And I work this up to fade in with my sides. You can gradually adjust your clipper to 4mm from 3.5 to 4 and then start working yourself down. And then as you get closer to the chin, I go from a 4.5 to 5 and then eventually to 6mm. Basically follow through all the way up to the mustache at 6mm then. Here's the tricky part. You basically create an imaginary triangle, getting rid of all the stragglers. Now, in the very tip of that point, and just cutting into the sides to blend it in with the rest of the goatee. This way it doesn't seem like the cuts are that sharp, and it just gives it a nice fade. Just finishing it off by getting rid of any stragglers or stray hair that may still be sticking out and cleaning up just underneath the neck right before we get into the shaving. I'll sing it louder now. I'll sing it, I'll sing it, I'll sing it louder now. So what I'd like to start off here is going from the very top and then just curve down, following the natural lines of the beard is the primary focus. And then you flip that blade around and using the back of it to line up the very back of the beard. precision blade and just line up as close as possible to the lines of the beard, giving that very refined cut. And then take the guard off and just go over underneath the mustache and wipe. And then inspecting and just go over one more time to see if there's any strays and blend. And then that should be it.